Today I'm sharing my go-to macaroni salad recipe. It's creamy, tangy, full of flavor, and always the first dish to disappear at potlucks and barbecues. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces of large macaroni, cooked and cooled. 1 cup of chopped onion, either purple or yellow. 1 cup of chopped green bell pepper. 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, cubed or shredded. 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. 1 cup of sour cream. 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1/3 cup of white sugar. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And finally, 1 teaspoon of salt. To put the salad together, cook your pasta according to the package, drain it, and let it cool completely. Any pasta shape works, but I love large macaroni for this recipe. While the pasta cools, chop your onion and bell pepper, and cube or shred that sharp cheddar cheese. Once everything is chopped, add it to the cooled pasta. Now for the creamy magic. In a separate bowl, combine the mayo, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, sugar, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Whisk it all together until smooth. Pour that creamy dressing over the pasta and toss until everything is coated evenly. Pop it in the fridge to chill for at least 1 hour. This lets the flavors really come together. Here is a tip that you will want to use. If you're making macaroni salad ahead of time, reserve 1 cup of the creamy dressing. Stir it in just before serving to keep your salad ultra creamy. This macaroni salad is super versatile and pairs perfectly with just about anything. It's a must-have side dish for grilled burgers, hot dogs, ribs, or grilled chicken. It also works great with pulled pork sandwiches, fried chicken, or even as a side to a fresh deli sandwich. For a lighter meal, serve it alongside grilled veggies or a crisp green salad. It's also a great addition to any picnic spread or potluck table. No matter how you serve it, this salad is sure to bring the flavor and tie your whole meal together. And there it is. The best macaroni salad. Creamy, cheesy, a little tangy, and packed with flavor. The perfect side dish for any occasion. When you make it, let me know in the comments how it turned out. The complete recipe is listed in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.